Hello dear friends and colleagues, this is Joel from Portugal. First of all, I would like to thank TRI for the kind invitation to be a part of this QL phase regarding the new matrix implant. The first and most obvious one is that now we get absolute freedom when planning every single case of ours regarding tissue management, because we can design the emergence profile the exact way we want it to, no longer depending on tie bases to do it. And this goes for healing abutments, provisional restorations up to the final restoration. Second consideration is regarding tissue level implants. It's the first time that I see combine all the traditional advantage of tissue level systems with an implant that you can choose from wider implant bodies and narrow necks that are pink and they are concave. And this is perfect for the static zone, and for me this is game changing. It really is a pleasure to be a part of what I consider to be the major breakthrough in implant dentistry in several years. So well done guys, I really think we have a winning formula here.